In a landmark decision, the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Mumbai, ruled in favor of ICICI Bank Limited, setting aside service tax demands on foreign bank charges under the Reverse Charge Mechanism, RCM. The case revolved around whether Indian banks, acting as intermediaries in export-import transactions, should be considered recipients of services provided by foreign banks and liable for service tax. The tribunal referred to key precedents, including the State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur versus Commissioner of Central Excise and Service Tax, Alwar, 2021, 45, GSTL 293, which established that Indian banks are not recipients of services from foreign banks in such transactions. The tribunal also cited the BGR Energy Systems Limited versus Adil, Commissioner of GST and Central Excise, Chennai, 2020, 32, GSTL 186, which clarified that exporters-importers, not Indian banks, are liable for service tax on foreign bank charges. This decision provides clarity on the applicability of RCM for foreign bank charges and is a significant relief for Indian banks, ensuring they are not burdened with service tax liabilities in similar cases. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.